Hello Canvas users and those of you infected with Flipgrid fever. This is Marie Henderson. In this video we're going to look at adding a new topic. As you can see here, I have integrated the Flipgrid app to my Canvas course, and I have created a grid to go along with that course, and it's embedded here in Canvas, and now I'm ready to add my first topic. Flipgrid automatically generates the first topic for you. It's called Ideas, and by default it is hidden. If you turn it on, then it allows students to propose the next topic that you can then use with your students in your course. So maybe there's an appropriate opportunity for them to suggest discussion topics, and they can do that with Ideas if you go here and make your Ideas topic active. But for the moment, we're going to go ahead and create a new topic. So I'm going to click here, plus new topic, and you want to give your topic a name. Maybe you want to start with some introductions here in your course, and you can add a tip if that helps out your learners. You get to decide how long your video response is going to be. They really don't need much for an introduction if you're just going to have them tell a few things about themselves. You get to decide when that topic is going to be available for your students. The date also acts as a way to sort your topics in Flipgrid. So they're going to tell the class your name and a few things we may not know about you, and give as much description there as you want, up to 500 characters. And then moving on down, you can determine the level of privacy for your topic. So depending on the age of your students, you may want to turn on this video moderation. Maybe you need to approve the videos before they become visible to everyone in the grid. And then you can move on to set the topic status. Of course, we want to leave it as active if we want our students to see it right away, or you can determine when they'll see it and for how long using the launch and freeze dates. Further on down here in section 4, the topic resource section, this is optional, but is a great way to up the engagement for your students. Maybe you have a video that you want to record to them right here in Flipgrid. You can upload something you've already recorded from your computer. If there's a video on YouTube or Vimeo that you'd like to add, you can do that here. You can add a regular image or a Jiffy, or you can add an emoji. If there's a file that you'd like for your students to read before they get started with your Flipgrid, you can add the link to the file here. And if you click add another attachment, you can add as many links to files as needed. In the 6th section, you get to decide how creative students are going to be once they're finished recording their video. Maybe you want them to add stickers or drawings to decorate their selfie there at the end, or you want to limit to one or the other or none. You can also decide if students are going to be allowed to add an external link to their video, a link to a file, a link to a YouTube video, etc., and whether that video is going to be seen by everyone on the topic, or you can select private if you want just you as the teacher to see that link that they add. Flipgrid's version of liking or favoriting something is the mic drop emoji, and you can turn that on or off. You can also turn on or off whether or not students will see the number of times their video has been viewed. You get to decide if students can reply to each other via video, and whether or not when the student submits their video, they can include a title to their video, which gives them 80 characters to include additional information as well. Last but not least, you get to determine how you'll give feedback to your students. If you leave it at basic feedback, you get these two, performance and ideas, or you're allowed to give customized feedback, and you can create your own rubric for your topic right here in Flipgrid. The nice part is once you create a rubric, the topics become available here at the right for you to use over and over again. So now we're going to click to create our topic, and the first topic will be available for response here in Canvas, or since I turned it on that they can use it in the Flipgrid app, they can also use this link to get straight to the topic either in the Flipgrid app or on the Flipgrid website. As always, if you have questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. Thanks, and have a great day.